Man's head found in Manchester identified as that of missing senior citizen. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police in Manchester do not suspect foul play in the death of a 74-year-old man whose decomposing head was found separated from his torso in bushes in Mansfield District, South Manchester on Saturday. Police say that relatives identified the remains to be that of Timothy Burton, a resident of Mansfield District, who was reported missing on Christmas Day. Police said that Burton was last seen alive around 8 p.m. wearing a red t-shirt, blue jeans pants and a pair of black shoes. A police source said that investigators believe that Burton died as a result of a misadventure. Mr. Burton, who is said to have Alzheimer's, was living alone and went missing sometime around Grand Market. It is believed that the body was decomposed and dog hauled it away. However, this has not yet been confirmed by the police, but residents reportedly saw bones in the area and the dogs were messing with it. The police has now ruled this as a death investigation and not a murder. The police have also not suspected foul play in this incident. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.